Welcome, in front of me is OnePlus Nord 5, and in this video I will show you what to do if your face unlock scanner doesn't recognize your face properly. So let's set up a new face model for our device. Let's go to the settings first, then select security and privacy, scroll down to device unlock section, now go to fingerprint and face unlock. Now let's go to face. And before we add a new face model to our device, first of course make sure that you have removed the previous ones. And before we start, let's first adjust the lights in the room in order so that you can clearly see your face and more important, your face features in your camera. And for the same reason, let's use a dry towel to wipe the frontal camera of our device. Do it carefully not to damage it. Okay, and when you're ready, click Add Now and proceed by adding a new face model to your device. Look directly in the camera to make sure of the best experience. Okay, and when you're done, click Done. And before we proceed, let's go to the settings and check if the system is up to date. To do that, scroll to the very bottom of the list of the settings, select System and Update, Software Update, and then check if your software version is up to date, because this also may affect the way that your hardware works, including the face recognition scanner. And just to make sure that all the changes applied, let's restart the phone by holding down the power button and the volume up key at the same time for a second. Then select Restart and let your phone reboot. Okay, let's check how face recognition works now. So first unlock your phone and let it load for a while. And now let's check how the face recognition works. Okay, it went pretty smoothly the first time. Let's check it a couple more, give it a couple more tries. As you can see, it worked again. Yeah, as you can see, it works perfectly for me, and I hope it does for you too. And I really hope that this video helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.